What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. Got the kid in the bus. We are getting ready to head out. We're heading over to BUSFEST, the most awesomest weekend that you could ever have on this weekend. Part of the old Texas trifecta. We got Bug Off, BUSFEST, and then the Harvest, back to back weekends. Pretty great. So we're like almost right in the middle of it. This is the number 2 of 3. We had a fantastic weekend at the Bug Off last week, and we're gonna have even more fun at BUSFEST this week, just hanging out, nothing to do. I'm about to sneeze. But we're just waiting on Chris, and as soon as Chris and the gang get here, we are on the way to get gas, and we are on the road. So let's go.
Don't go yet.
Don't go.
Sorry, go ahead.
Were we waiting
Okay,
on?
you can go now.
Okay.
Ready? Am I done?
Catch me up. Hey, I don't want to.
I want the bus. I want the bus.
Alright gang, there you go, BUSFEST. What a fun adventure. We're going to be heading out, driving home pretty soon. The weather was perfect. Just the right amount of buses. We got to see all the friends. And Chris got to cook on his Dutch oven. He was baking all day yesterday. Made cookies and cinnamon rolls and peach cobbler. What a fantastic weekend. I mean, what can you say? Buses and camping, you can't beat it. Still don't have my whole voice, which is why there wasn't a whole lot of talking this week. But you know, the kid slept in her little tent trailer. The bus has so far been running good. We got some firewood left over, so all in all, a full-on win, I think. So hit the links down below, check all the friends, get you a t-shirt and a hoodie. It's hoodie time, you know. I think we got some other stuff on there. I think we just hit 9,000 subscribers, so thank you so much to everybody for supporting us and telling your friends and everything, and keep going. If we hit 10,000, I'm gonna give away something awesome. I mean, we're gonna like really go all out for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. It's gonna be amazing. So hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We will see you next week at the harvest.